Hello everybody, this is Mr. Pockets, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon Angry Bird. So, you're going to need one red 260, one white 260, and a scrap of a yellow balloon. So, you take your red 260 and inflate it, leaving about 6 inches. Tie it off and inflate your white balloon, also leaving about 6 inches. Now take your white balloon and make a 2-inch twist. And lock twist it with another 2-inch twist to make his eyes. Now take the scrap of your yellow balloon, I'll just use a new yellow balloon, and inflate it about 2 inches. And you're going to make a tiny little loop twist, about that big, and discard the rest. Take the base of your beak and tie it into the base of your eyes to make something that looks like that. Now take your red balloon and take the beginning and tie it into the top of the eyes. Just like that. And make a 2-inch pinch twist. Now, measure it out, take it down about 3 inches, and twist them together. Now make about a 3-inch pinch twist for his tail, and take your red balloon back toward the eyes, twist it in with his beak, and back down to the tail. These will be his wings. Now you can discard the rest. So here is your Angry Bird with no Sharpie art. Now let's add Sharpie art. Some eyeballs, and some angry eyebrows. And that will make a pretty good Angry Bird. Now another thing, if you make the Angry Bird a little bit smaller, like this, right here, you can keep the tail of the balloon and make it so it can shoot. Thanks for watching.